Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. Pages, Numbers and Keynote have all seen minor updates in the past few weeks, but in this tip video I'm going to take a look primarily at the new Table of Contents feature in Pages for both the Mac and iOS. So this is the latest version of Pages, which includes the Table of Contents. It's Pages version 8 on the Mac. Let me just close down this About box. And what I thought I would do is just create a simple document with several different pages or with different headings. So let's go ahead and start off, say, with an introduction page. And then I'll go ahead, insert page break. So we have a new page down here. Let's go ahead and in the header insert a page number as well so we can see what page numbers they are. So this is page 2 of 2. And here I'm going to write section 1. And then I'll go ahead, insert another page, label this section 2. And let's just go with one more. So just one more page. And this will be section 3. Now, to create a table of contents, what I need to do is to apply a styling, any styling except the body styling, to all my sort of headings on each page. So if I go back up to the top page, so this introduction, if I select introduction, go across to the format box. If it doesn't appear, just click on the little paintbrush, go down to here and select this as heading. So there's my heading for the first page. Again, section 1, I'll select the same paragraph style. Section 2, exactly the same. And my final page, again, heading. Now there's a new view of your document, which is the Table of Contents view, which will allow you to navigate around your document, and you can also insert your Table of Contents within the document itself. But let's have a look at the view first. So if I go up to View, click on here and select Table of Contents. Right, so there are my introduction, my section 1, my section 2 and section 3. If I go to section 2, you'll see it takes me directly to that page, which is actually page 3 of 4. If I go to my introduction, it takes me to my introduction. If I want to edit my table of contents, say to either include or exclude different paragraph styles, I can go across to Edit. So currently, anything with a heading, anything with heading 2, anything with heading 3 or heading red will be included in my table of contents. I can add additional ones in by clicking these checkboxes, or I can remove them as well. So let me go ahead and create a heading 2. Before I do that though, let's say I want my heading 2 to be indented. So if I click on this little button here, this will indent any heading 2 sections that I have. If I tap away from here, let's go down to the bottom, and rather than inserting another page, that's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.